Working from home is fantastic. I get to start my day by slipping into comfy pajamas, strolling downstairs, and brewing my morning coffee. Then, it's a short 5-second commute to my home office on my computer. Thankfully, in today's world, numerous high-paying jobs allow you to work from home, and many of these roles don't require a college degree. In this video, I've compiled a list of 15 such jobs, the top-paying remote positions that you can pursue without a college degree. Some of these jobs even have the potential to out-earn the President of the United States. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Captioning Agent. First up is caption writing for Caption Call. While it may not be the highest paying job on our list, I've included it because it's one of the least stressful and easiest home-based jobs. Caption Call assists people with hearing loss in communicating over the phone. As a captioning agent for Caption Call, your task is to transcribe telephone conversations so that individuals with hearing impairments can read the caller's words. The job requires basic typing skills and involves minimum communication. To get started, visit captioncall.com, navigate to the career section, and apply as a caption writer. Expect to earn around $18 per hour, with hourly rates ranging from $12 to $25. Shift Smart. Shift Smart offers a flexible way to earn income, allowing you to work as much or as little as you desire. While it may not be a traditional 9-to-5 career, and not all positions are remote, it's an excellent option if you need work. Shift Smart connects you with companies offering diverse job opportunities across various industries. You can quickly earn money and acquire new skills in the process. Earnings can vary widely, spanning from $15,000 to $141,000 per year. Data Entry. Data entry is a great fit for introverts looking to make money from home. Your role is straightforward. Use your keyboard to input data from different sources into a computer. Most data entry positions are remote and don't necessitate a college degree. All you need is proficient typing skills, which you can enhance for free on websites like typing.com. Data entry roles typically yield annual incomes ranging from $17,000 to $30,000. Customer Service. Customer service ranks among the most prevalent work-from-home jobs that offer solid pay. Nearly every company requires customer service support, spanning various industries. A college degree isn't mandatory. Strong communication skills are what matter. Customer service representatives usually earn annual salaries between $27,000 and $129,000, with an average of approximately $35,000. Accounting Clerk. Accounting clerks operate in the finance department of organizations, assisting with general accounting duties. Most accounting clerk positions are remote and don't necessitate a college degree, although some prior accounting experience might be required, which you can learn online for free. Accounting clerks typically earn annual incomes ranging from $32,000 to $162,000, with an average of around $38,000. Medical Coding. Medical coding involves translating patient records into standardized codes used by insurance companies. This occupation typically doesn't require a college degree and suits individuals with strong typing skills. Medical coders typically earn annual incomes between $24,000 and $74,000, with an average of approximately $40,000. Bookkeeping. Bookkeepers are responsible for recording, storing, retrieving, and analyzing financial documents within an organization. Most bookkeeping positions have transitioned to remote work and don't mandate a college degree. While some accounting experience is helpful, you can learn the necessary skills online for free. Bookkeepers usually earn annual incomes ranging from $25,000 to $73,000, with an average of about $45,000. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. Recruiting Coordinator. Recruiting coordinators assist in managing the hiring process for companies or staffing agencies. This role doesn't require a college degree. strong interpersonal skills are essential. Remote recruiting coordinator positions are available with companies like Amazon. Earnings can range from $44,000 to $150,000 per year, with an average of approximately $54,000. Transcriptionist. Transcriptionists convert voice recordings into written text. This role demands precise typing skills and can be done from home. Annual earnings for transcriptionists can fall between $22,000 and $116,000, with an average of around $58,500. Executive Assistant. Executive assistants oversee the schedules and communications for executives within an organization. This role typically doesn't require a college degree. Instead, strong organizational and communication skills are key. Executive assistants typically earn annual incomes ranging from $25,000 to $205,000, with an average of about $63,000. Social Media Manager. Social media managers develop strategies to enhance a company's online presence. While a specific degree isn't mandatory, a solid grasp of social media is essential. Earnings in this field can vary widely, spanning from $4,000 to $175,000 per year, with an average of about $63,000. Customer Success Manager. Customer success managers foster relationships with customers and ensure their needs are met post-purchase. This job may not always require a college degree, but demands strong interpersonal skills. Annual earnings can range from $44,000 to $150,000, with an average of around $69,000. Web Developer. Web developers construct websites using coding languages or content management systems like WordPress. A college degree is not always a prerequisite, and the earnings potential is substantial. Web developers generally earn annual incomes between $54,000 and $321,000, with an average of about $70,000. Project Manager. Project managers plan, organize, and execute business projects. This role typically doesn't require a college degree and yields annual incomes ranging from $52,000 to $242,000, with an average of around $77,000. Freelance Writer. Freelance writers can achieve significant income by working full-time or freelancing. A college degree isn't mandatory. The key is honing your writing skills. Annual earnings for freelance writers can range from $34,000 to $320,000, with an average of about $80,000. These 15 jobs provide fantastic opportunities to work from home without a college degree. Depending on your skills and preferences, you can select the one that best suits you and potentially earn a comfortable income. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video!